I say, George, don't ever do that again. Georgie, don't do that to me, man. Not funny. Don't do that. Don't mess with a man's breathing when he's recovering. Don't do that. You wait till you're asleep. I'm going to pull some...
I was videoing that.
Hmm?
I was videoing that.
Yeah, don't share that with anyone, George.
No, I'm going to share it with Mum.
Yeah, sure.
I might as well share it on YouTube.
I didn't swear, did I? Otherwise you can't share it.
No, you didn't swear. You
No.